Hello guys. Someone have messaged us in our Facebook page that she want to or she ordered this one. It's the person who or a client who ordered this back is the one who ordered this black thing that will clip money and how this one here. She's the one who ordered this. But she want my husband to build a wooden box for it. So here, this is what can call that one, a pine. It's a treated pine tree wood. Yeah, I don't know how you call, but it's a pine tree. Okay, from a pine tree wood. It's made of pine. Okay, it's made of pine. It's a customer who sent this one to make a box for it. And my husband, Clayton, he made this box. It's very simple. Wait, because of the lock. Because there's a lock right here. Lock that one right here. To hold the lock right here. There. So you have to bend this one a little to take it off. So you hear. And he make a divider right here to hold this box. So when you put it up like this, just lay on the top of that one. So if you have any, or the client, when she use this, if she have any extra bigger bill, she can hide it under, so nobody will steal her money, except the coins. I'm just joking. Okay, if she have a bigger bill, she can hide it here. So she don't need to display up here. And this is what it looks like inside, right there. It's very simple box. And it's my husband, that's the first time husband make this kind of drawer. So this one, it fits on the top also like that. And so it's really cool kind of drawer design. See, so it's really nice. I like this one. I made another one for me, but I don't have this kind of thing on that one. I don't know where he put it. He put it somewhere. It's made of mahogany wood, but this one is made of pine wood. And I love this one. See the design on the front. He put this handle here. He put the glue right here. And after he screw here the back. He put the screw. He put screw right there to hold them. Right there. And it's nice. Right? It's nice. Do you love your work?
Mm-hmm.
What you can say about it?
It's a very nice pine box with mahogany pulls.
Okay, thank you for watching.
A bottom drawer with a lift on it. So when you
I
put
said the bar there's a left.
and when you put the cash box on the lift, there's a lot of room in here for
extra big bills.
extra cash.
So nobody will steal the big cash, and they can only steal the small cash.
And this fits perfect in here. It won't be sliding around on you or anything. Perfect fit.
It's first time to make a drawer. Where's mine? Where did you put it? And there it is. And
it's not my first time to make a drawer. I make plenty of them.
Oh, you did? I thought it's your first time. First time here.
It's not my first time to make a drawer.
Okay, first time in here. Gosh, first time when I saw you making a drawer. A drawer like this, I'm talking about. So you will open
That
it.
first box I made her has got a sliding drawer in it.
And it's really nice. See?